In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website. To get started, head over to Wix.com and log in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, you may see more than one website listed if you manage multiple projects. If that's the case, simply choose the specific site you want to update, so you are working on the correct one before making any changes. After you've selected your site, click Edit Site to open the Wix Web Builder. Depending on your dashboard layout, this button is often located in the top right or sometimes toward the bottom left. Once the editor loads, you'll be able to make changes directly on the page in a very visual way. If you want to update text or images, Wix makes that process simple. Just double-click on any text box to change the wording. For images, click the image you want to replace. Then choose Change Image to swap it for a new one. This is one of the fastest ways to refresh your site's content without rebuilding anything from scratch. For broader edits to a section, click on a structural part of the page and look for the lightning bolt icon, which opens the Quick Edit panel. This side panel is useful for making quick adjustments to things like background colors, titles, and descriptions. All from one convenient place. It's especially helpful when you want to update a section without manually clicking every individual element. If you need to add something new, go to the left toolbar and click the Add Elements button with the plus sign. From there, you can drag and drop items like text boxes, buttons, strips, and galleries right onto your page. This gives you a lot of flexibility when expanding or improving your layout. To update the overall look of your website, click the Site Design icon, shown as a paintbrush in the left toolbar. Here, you can adjust your color theme or text theme. The advantage of doing this is that the changes apply across your site automatically, which saves time and keeps your design consistent. When you want to work on a different page, use the Page menu in the top left of the editor. It shows the page you are currently viewing, and you can open the drop-down to select the exact page you want to edit. Before you finish, click the mobile icon at the top of the editor to switch from desktop view to mobile view. In this mode, you can rearrange elements and resize text so everything looks clean on a smartphone screen. These mobile edits won't affect your desktop layout, which makes it easy to optimize both versions separately. Once you are happy with all your changes, click the blue Publish button in the top right corner of the editor so your updates go live. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.